Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After so many years, I'm shooting with the face on. So today we are going to try a different genre of video, that is vlogging. So as you may know that cricket is going on and this is the IPL season. So we are going to shoot the IPL vlog now. We are going to play a mini IPL match between SRH and CSK. So let us begin now. I'm going to explain the rules of this match. Basically, if the runs from boundary to here, I mean from wicket to here, if it hits the straight, it's one. And also for the shoe rack, it's one. And for the bike and the straight, it's 2 runs. And if directly it hits the gate, it's four. And also one of the major rules that if you play aggressively and hit it directly out of the home, it's going to be out. So I hope you're clear with the rules. Also, one of the most important rule is that which I forgot to mention, with if the ball hits directly to any of these windows, it's out. So this match is going to be interesting. Let us see. And here is the first innings. Let's begin with the toss now.
Heads.
Tails it is. So SRH has won the toss and elected to bat first. Here are the squads for the match. From Chennai Super Kings, Rishik is the captain and also the wicketkeeper of the team, Abhinav, Lokesh, and also they have the impact sub Saket. From SRH, Shrank is the captain. They have Yashwant, Sai Tilochan as the wicketkeeper, and Arjun as the impact substitution. It's a four. It's a four again. It's a four again. First over bowled by Abhinav is done. After getting hit for a hat-trick of fours, it was a good fight back. SRH is 12 for no loss in the first over and Yashwant is not out after hitting 12 runs in 6 balls.
Not a four.
End of second over bowled by Lokesh. It was a very economical over by just conceding one boundary. SRH is 18 for no loss after 2 overs.
Wide. Single కాదు. ఒకటే రన్ ఇచ్చినావు. వైడ్ అది కూడా. సూపర్ రా.
Of third over bowled by Abhinav. A very good over, just 5 runs off it. SRH at 23 for no loss after 3 overs. Though that's the end of the fourth over bowled by Lokesh. It was a little expensive considering 13 runs, but overall it was a very good batting performance by Yashwant. He scored 35 runs off 24 balls with 8 boundaries out of it with a total strike rate of 145. So SRH total score is 36 for no loss in 4 overs. CSK needs to score 37 in 4 overs. So let's see what happens.
Wide. Done. Wide. Wide. Watch warning.
So the chase begins and CSK scores 9 in the first over, out of which 7 was scored by Rishik. So let's see what happens further.
One. Start.
Second over bowled by Arjun, a wicket and a maiden. It was completely a game changing moment. Now CSK is 9 for 1 in 2 overs. Let's see what happens further.
Right. Dot. Aito. Start ball. Hey. 4. 20.
What an over bowled by Sai. Just 6 at such a crucial point in the match. CSK are 15 for 2 after 3 overs. They need 22 runs of the last over. Let's see if CSK could chase this or SRH will defend their total.
Sampa. 21 to win for 5.
అరే నా కాళ్ళు లాకిందిరా
నేను ఎంఎస్ని మూవీ సార్ అమ్మ జై మరియా
That's the end of the second innings. SRH win by 10 runs. Good fight back by Abhinav but gone in vain. Bowling performance were exceptional by Arjun and Sai. And let's move on to the post-match presentation.
Now let us welcome the captain of the winning team, Shreyang. Please come on to the stage.
Yeah, it was a
So how do you feel upon winning this match?
Yeah, I feel proud and also I'm very part of to be the captain of the winning team. It was completely a team effort, especially Yashwant and Arjun. Arjun in the bowling in the dead overs and Yashwant batting beautifully in the opening. It was very good start and the pitch was little slow, but it's a good pitch to bat and bowl also.
So before the match, did you have any plans? Could you be follow them?
Yeah, nothing much. It was just like a friendly match and only motive was to win and just score runs and take good wickets. So it happened very fine.
వెల్కమ్ సిఎస్కే కెప్టెన్ రిషిక్ హాయ్
Hi, how are you? Fine. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ హౌ డూ యూ ఫీల్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మ్యాచ్
Yeah, it's unfortunate that we have lost the match, but yeah, it's part of a game. So we feel that we can, get back and play well in the next game.
వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ వే డిడ్ యూ లూజ్ ద మ్యాచ్
Yeah, we didn't score boundaries much. Yeah, I'll take the blame for the loss. I think I need to score more 2 or 3 boundaries to get the game to close, but I didn't score, so I'll take the blame for the loss.
Also, a question from the back end. Who do you think must have been dismissed, and also who do you think you should have attacked in the bowling?
I think I could have attacked Arjun in the bowling because the ball came onto the bat, but I thought we would, attack in the next over, so we lost the match there.
Yeah, no problem, Rishik. Better luck next time.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Hello, Shriyank. So, question from the back end. Who do you think is your player of the match?
Yeah, actually, both of them played very important and very crucial part in this winning of the match. Also, now I would like to call the impactful sub who played a very pivotal role in winning the match. Arjun, please come onto the stage, Arjun. So, what do you think? How did you plan in bowling?
So actually, I did not plan anything. My main target was to defend the score instead of taking wickets. But there was a new batter who subbed in instead of the captain. So I tried mostly spinning the ball.
Yeah, also now let us welcome one of the most impactful player of this match, Yashwant. Please come onto the stage, Yashwant. Yeah, don't feel sad, bro. We have not subbed you in because you are the main player of the match, both of you.
Thank you.
So, how do you think? What was your playing mindset by playing?
There was my exact mindset in playing. I just wanted to attack each and every ball I played. And I also wanted to play till the end so that I knew that if I'm on the grease, the scorecard will surge up. Otherwise, I had a feeling that our team might not be able to score against. Because Abhinav and Lokesh are very experienced spinners who are very tough to tackle. So my only aim was to wait till the end and just go for a powerful drive. That's it.
Yeah, thank you, Yashwant, for this playing a very pivotal role in this match. Thank you. Both
You
of
should
you.
have taught this before you subbed me.
Yeah, no problem, man. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.